Today we will be approaching the interface from the perspective of Rebecca, a spectroscopist interested in navigating through various sections of the Oman core in a specific borehole, C5702A. As she opens the interface, Rebecca sees an initial section, the first in the core. She's curious to know which sections have the highest value of epidote and clicks on the search bar. Entering a query, Rebecca sees that a section is highlighted in the navigation tool below, which provides context of where in the core she is. She also knows that there's a specific section of interest. 89. Rebecca navigates to it and selects. By selecting, we now see 3 things populated in the section view. 2 views of the section, the first which will act as a reference point as we're building out these mineral maps and exploring the bands, and the second which is the foundation for the mineral map that we will build. Finally, a punch card view acts as an overview of the 12 mineral components of the bands of the section that we are currently interested in. Average values that are high are mapped to lighter colors than values that are low. Each column represents an average value for a mineral throughout the section, while the row maps directly to the row of pixels in the section. This is marked by a blue line. In the leftmost corner is an interactive map of the selected section view, giving Rebecca a view of the section as we navigate through it. At the bottom of the screen is a scroll bar controlling the zoom of the section view, where Rebecca will be exploring a section, creating annotations, and interactively curating a mineral map. After scrolling through the core, Rebecca notices that there's a higher amount of calcite in part of the section. She selects calcite from above, adding a new band of mineral, calcite. She adds a few more, pyroxene, serpentine, and scrolls to the side for a comparison view. She chooses to zoom out to get a better sense of what is happening. Rebecca then decides to build a mineral map via the mineral map dropdown. Upon selecting the minerals of interest, Rebecca now sees the map, along with a legend that's been appended: purple for high calcium pyroxene, green for serpentine, and red for where serpentine and high calcium pyroxene mix. She scrolls back in, zooms out. As she explores this mineral map, she notices interesting mixing is occurring in certain places and decides to take note of it. She double-clicks on the mineral map and clicks again, adding a comment. She scrolls down again and sees a section where there's no high calcium pyroxene. Interesting. What is this? A place for further research. She can toggle her comments on and off. Finally, now that Rebecca has built a mineral map, she needs to be able to explore and use it in other scenarios, sharing it with her colleagues. She exports the mineral map. Opening it, you can see